Hey guys, welcome back to another video of job updates. So today we are talking about a new opportunity for engineering students. So the job role is for direct hiring associate software engineer and it is provided by Accenture. Now we look at the job description. So there are certain eligibility criteria that are given here. So any pass outs from the year 2020 and 2021 from streams B.Tech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc can apply. There should not be any active backlogs during your application and maximum of 1 year gap is only allowed, and students should be of Indian citizenship. So these are some of the basic eligibility criterias. And there are two posts available. We have development associate and the expected salary would be 4.5 lakhs per annum, and advanced app engineering analyst, and here the expected salary would be 6.5 lakhs per annum. Now what the job entails you to do is clearly given in here in detail. So if you want to refer that, you can click on the link that we have attached in our description box. So some of the responsibilities would include analysis and design, development, automated code review, unit testing, automation, performance testing, automated build and deployment. If you want to refer this in detail, please click the link on our description box. Now we'll go to the registration form and how to apply. So the first one is job role. It is automatically filled, so you don't have to do anything there. Then we have the source details. So like, how did you find about this job? So in this case it would be from social media advertisement, so select that. And like, from what platform? So in your case it would be YouTube, so select others. And then you are required to fill in your personal details like your gender, your first name, your middle name, your last name, your university registration number, email ID, mobile number, WhatsApp consent. Okay, WhatsApp consent is for you giving consent to Accenture to use WhatsApp as a communication medium to contact with you. So if you are okay with that, you can consent. If not, then do not consent. Then you can also give an alternate mobile number just for security purposes, I guess. But it is optional. And you are also required to fill in your date of birth and your current location. Next, you're supposed to fill in the education details, like what is your highest education profile. If you are an undergraduate, select that. If you're a postgraduate, select that. And if you have more educational background to you, then you can select add more. Next, you are supposed to fill in your professional details, like if you have any experience, any work experience prior to the application, you are supposed to fill in, like if it's 1 to 6 months or 7 to 11 months, select accordingly. Then if you're working currently, select yes. If not, then no. And if you have any offer in hand right now, select yes or no. So if selected, how much time would you require to join? They also ask you how much time would it require for you to join. Are you available to join immediately, or if it would take a month or something like that? So yeah, so select things according to your preferences. Then next, you are supposed to fill in your skill details. So it is mandatory for you to have a primary skill. So yeah, so whatever skill you have, you're supposed to select that. So yeah, and where have you used the primary skill? Like if you've got an opportunity to use your skill somewhere, select where did you use your skill. So, and if you have any secondary skill, you can add another skill as well. And if you have applied it somewhere, you can select it accordingly. And okay, next, you are supposed to give in your certification details. It is based on the skills you selected. Like if you attended a course to attain a particular skill, you can select the certification course according to that. And what is the status of your certification? If it's in progress or completed, whatever status you are in right now, you can select that. And then if you have attended any course in foreign language like Spanish or French, you can select that as well. It will definitely give you an advantage to get selected. And also select your certification level. Then the next part would be other details, like if you have any gap in education, select that. And If you have worked in Accenture before, you can select like for how many months or whatever. And then if you have got any standing backlog, select yes or no. And if you have appeared for an assessment before, or like an interview process before from Accenture, select yes or no. And finally, the final question is if you're an Indian citizen, which most probably you will be, so select according to that. And finally, you're supposed to upload your resume, and the size of the file shouldn't exceed 1 MB. And then you're supposed to upload a passport size photo of yourself, and then a college ID, which is optional. And finally, you're required to upload a government ID type. So the only option that you have here is PAN card. So yeah, and enter your PAN card number, and also like a photo of your PAN card should be uploaded. Also, if you have any sort of disability, select according to that. And if you do not wish to disclose, select that. And the next part is declaration and consent. You're supposed to read everything given here, like your data privacy, and if you agree to everything that's said here. So and again, you're supposed to like read everything and declare that you're ready, like your consent to it. So select I agree for everything, and then finally submit it.
Okay, so that's all you're supposed to do to apply for this job position. Now, if you want to know more information regarding the job, there is the link that is being attached in our description box, which you can check out. So, bye guys, have a good day and good luck.